Welcome to this channel. I'm Lawa Ridwan, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can successfully open a Clickbank account in Nigerian and other country that doesn't accept and for other countries that are not accepted. So make sure you watch this video to the end and how I will show you how to open Clickbank in your own country. What is Clickbank? It's an affiliate network that helps to link the product owner, which are called the venture or the advertiser, with the affiliates. So how it works here is that you select the product to promote, you generate link, you are given a tracking link. So if a buyer purchase that product through your link, you'll be given a social amount of commission. So, and why do we choose Clickbank? Number one, it's free to sign up. There's no hidden fee for registering Clickbank accounts anywhere. So number two is suitable for affiliates who want to earn some extra cash online. You have already an affiliate marketers and you want to earn online. Clickbank marketplace is the best option for you. So plenty of product to work with. They have a plenty of product, a various niche, like so much niche, and it's not difficult to find the right product to promote because it was vast. I mean, they have a great categories of many products that you can even imagine. So, so what about the payment? The payment is they usually do the payment uh, per threshold you set. So if you are set it maybe like $50, maybe per 2 weeks, maybe sent to you or maybe pay out into your international bank account. So if you want to continue an affiliate journey and you don't want to successfully register for a Clickbank account, please stop watching this video, and this video is not for you. But if you promise to stay till the end of this video, I'll show you how to open a Clickbank account in an easy way for free. There is no hiding fee needed. So what are our requirements? You must have a PC with a good fast internet connection to do this. And if you have recently registered for a Clickbank before, please don't use the same email or Gmail or Outlook or anything before. Just look for a new and another email, a Pioneer account. This is how we are going to for our payouts. And if you don't have a Pioneer account, there is a link in the description below. Make sure you click on the link and register your Pioneer account and a safe browser. You don't need a VPN here. Epic browser is highly recommended, and a fake name generator that we are used to generate our address and the zip code. So let us get started. So go to Clickbank and create accounts. I mistake something. So after you have opened your browser, click here on these things and set your okay. We are using and set this to UK. As I said, set it to UK. So close that tab and we are doing this again. So click on here to activate your UK account and go to Clickbank. .com. So click on create a new account. Make sure you have opened a known tab to generate your fake email address. So fake name, okay, fake address, generator. This is a new alternative. I call it shop at my door. It's a shipping website. They can generate an address for you for free without collecting any time for you. So there's a link in the description below. Click on it. If you can't use a fake email generator, so there's an address here. Just click here and generate your Liverpool thing. So how to use address, and click here. So this is what we need, and since this address is generated for me, I would like to use this one, address generator. I think I don't need this one again. I'm going to use that shop at my door. It just came to my mind now that I should use it. So after you click registration, click on English and select your country as UK. And first name, so I'm going to write my name, and last name. So from the street, I'm going to here to copy the street line. No, I'm using this one. You can leave absolute another as that, and this one copy the zip code since you are living Liverpool State, England. Code State, England. City, Liverpool. And phone number, I think we are going to use the phone number. So copy this phone number, go here and add +44 and remove the 0. So your email address, the email address you want to use to create that account. So I'm going to cross check it, maybe I don't make any mistake, so we are good to go and go to the next step. So the payer name we are going to use now is from the Pioneer I told you before. If you haven't registered in that Pioneer account now, so go to the description below to get the name for the link for the Pioneer account and register and do it now. All you need to do is click on Global Payment Service and it will redirect you to this page. So click on Receiving British Pounds, we register in English. Bank name, let us check the bank name. You can put it here. The payer name, which is my name, put it here. Bank country, we select United Kingdom. Okay, is anything I'm missing here? So click on here to read the something like that. I'm able to click that, I've read and agree listing. So you can press next. So and if you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode for this thing. So choose your username you want to use and your password. So set your password very well. So I say 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase, 2 numbers, and 2 special characters. So you know what to do with that. So we have finished this and create your accounts. Please write your username and password in somewhere because this password it's a big things that okay. Let me save my password. So I got my own. So as I said before, if you want to learn more about an affiliate marketing, That's my number one recommend course for affiliate marketing uh in the description below. Make sure you click on it. It's free to learn this affiliate marketing. So let us go through this because this is my first time. Just send a confirmation to my email. Well, this thing and also if you want to know how to promote this Clickbank product for free, and also there is also a link in the description below. You can get how you can promote Clickbank affiliate products for free without spending any dime or seeing any ad, without getting banned or spam comments or nothing. How to promote the product in a legit way. So first thing is, now I'm going to confirm my email address first. Suppression list and click on accept. So all you need to do in your Gmail account, as you can see, we have successfully opened our Clickbank account. Please don't mistakenly click the link in this browser, and take note, do not use another browser to open this Clickbank except Epic browser that I recommend, or your account will get banned. Again, do not use another browser except Epic browser that I recommend. So if you are from Indian or Pakistan or anywhere, uh, a part of the world that Clickbank doesn't accept your your country, you can use this step to register. So as I can see, this is it, and somehow I'm ready to promote some products. So if you want to promote the product, all you need to do is go to the marketplace. So as I can see, this is my name, and I can search for anything I want. But mostly I love health and fitness product, like maybe mental health or something like that. I make money online. So as I said, if you want to know how to promote this Clickbank product in a free and easy way, there is a link in the description below. Click on it and get access to how to promote this Clickbank product for free. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So if you want to promote our product, all you need to do is let us go this and search for a product. So I got this recommend from good. So they say the average sales gravity. This gravity is too low. We can't promote this gravity. We want higher gravity. So okay, we can promote this. So to promote, all you need to do is to click on this thing. You can check the affiliate page and see how it looks like. Click on promote, and you'll be able to generate this link. So tracking IG, or and generate. So this is my tracker link, and whenever any person buy through this link, I will be given a social amount of commission. So this is the kettle that is placed, as you can see. Okay, this is my first time seeing this, so let us do some kind of things here. I want to view the page and see how it looks like. So if you want to promote this product as an affiliate, there is Instagram tricks on how to do that, Twitter tricks, and Facebook tricks on how to do this in the free way without paying any dime for ADS. So as I said, all the link, check the description below to check all important links there. And so this is the, as you can see, this is it. So let us check this thing. M3 delivery. As I said, please don't use another browser except Epic browser. So thank you for watching. If you are watching this video the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So there's something I want to show you before you leave the video. This video. So uh, so as I said, on how before you go, you can check in the description below on how you can earn $280 in a day with just 1 hour of promoting this affiliate. And also, if you are from Nigeria and don't know how to create a paper account, there's a link in the description below. Click on it and you can get it for a token price or a cheap price on how you can create paper that send even if you are not from Nigerian and if you are from a country that paper is not accepted your business account, you can use these tricks step to step to step tutorial to create your own uh, paper accounts without using VPN. So thank you for watching and peace out.